seemingly appearing larger in the mirror, somehow looking bigger. You want to wear clothes that fit perfectly but can't wear them? Would it be okay to have liposuction on the arms in that case? You may think so. Does liposuction of only the arms reduce overall body size? The point I am currently thinking of is right here.
A physique that appears sizable and sturdy when reflected in the mirror, it's commonly referred to as an inverted triangle body shape that makes one appear larger in size, especially during the summer when there is a lot of exposure like this. Some people may be concerned because this kind of body shape stands out more. Sometimes you might think that if you just get rid of these arm fats, you might look a bit smaller, but at times that alone might not be sufficient to resolve the problem. If you have any concerns of this nature, please pay close attention. Today, looking bulky, it is possible to achieve a slim and toned upper body line. I will explain about liposuction. One key point of a body that appears large: arm fat. Second, when women wear underwear, their fat bulges out and is visible. Bra line. 3. When you fold arms, it is a bulging armpit fat protruding from the upper part. Especially these 3 areas can't be improved with diet. It may not be resolved well. Many people coming in for liposuction consultations, hearing stories of those who come for consultations, at first people come to remove arm fat. The majority of those, in reality, if you listen closely enough, due to the sensation of feeling bulky, many individuals frequently desire to have a slim physique. If your arms seem thick, that's their look. Of course, it would be enough to just have liposuction on the arms. Actually, in the case of a lot of individuals, simply eliminating excess fat from the arms, despite the fact that the upper body does not look as slim as desired, it still falls short. Arm fat that makes the upper body appear larger, bra line, and the flanks. It is imperative to address these 3 points in conjunction with each other. In the case of arm fat suction, where fat is most widely distributed, when only the inner part is liposuctioned, the outer arm line tends to appear bulging relatively. It makes the upper body look slightly larger. When performing arm liposuction, it is crucial to removing the entire 360 degrees. In particular, the outer line should be designed in a way that it appears straight, just as so. In sleeveless attire, it is indeed true that you appear much slimmer and better now. When you wear clothes or swimsuits that fit your body perfectly, your body size doesn't decrease as much as you might think. At that time, the part that needs to be removed, these are the flanks and the bra line located on the upper side of the waist. The fat we call flanks in our hospital is found in the armpit region. Front view, it can look like protruding fat, also makes upper body seem a bit larger. Rear view, this is the main area that creates an inverted triangle body shape. Also something that all women can relate to. Fat on the side bra line also, on undie bend, bulging out in an uneven manner. It is a troublesome area that also makes you appear larger. Just by reducing the fat in this bra line, you might experience a change in the size of your garments, making the upper body appear larger like this. When 3 areas are reduced, that's when you can start to feel a decrease in your body size as it gradually becomes smaller. I will definitely help reduce the appearance of a larger physique. When we perform liposuction at our hospital, using a device called 𝐥𝐬𝐳 means all of you subscribers are well aware, isn't it? Now let me explain it briefly once again. The 𝐥𝐬𝐳 is from Solta Medical, products by a US medical equipment firm in America. Among the currently used fat-dissolving devices, this equipment has proven to have the most outstanding performance and reliability. To improve upon the drawbacks of existing rough liposuction equipment without causing damage to the skin tissue, gently removing fat only from the desired area, it's a very excellent machine for liposuction. The price is also somewhat expensive. In fact, surgery on the arms and armpits, this 𝐥𝐬𝐳 equipment is not easy to use on such areas. Because the layer of fat is slightly thicker compared to areas such as thighs or abdomen, the arms or armpits tend to have thinner layers of fat. Also, a slight risk of skin damage may occur. If used incorrectly in areas where nerves or blood vessels pass closely, due to the potential for damage, because it can cause significant side effects. Therefore, the areas where 𝐥𝐬𝐳 can be used and the parts that need to be manually operated are divided. Using 𝐥𝐬𝐳, all the fat that can be removed is melted before being extracted. Get rid of as much fat as you possibly can. Areas where nerves or blood vessels pass through, verifying it manually by hand in person directly. Liposuction needs to be done meticulously. Today, there is a lot of fat on the upper body line, transforming a bulky body into a visually slim and streamlined physique. I looked into the points of liposuction. Fat in specific areas that is particularly stubborn to lose. Fat removed by liposuction. From a body that seems big, worrisome, you will observe the most gratifying outcomes with a slender physique. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. For other inquiries or interests, please leave them in the comments. Greetings, Dr. Hong. How are you doing on this fine day?